Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today, we got a package in the mail. This is our unboxing for our October company for Year of the Beard. You probably saw it in the title, Rogue Patriot Beard Company. And we're gonna dive into this after the intro, so stay tuned. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Today is our unboxing video for our October company for Year of the Beard, Rogue Patriot Beard Company. So let's get ready to dive into this. Now, the owner of Rogue Patriot is Brandon Glenn. Now, he sent me a couple things. He emailed me a couple things before sending me this package so I could kind of have something to read to you guys. He may have included it in the box. I don't know, I hadn't opened it yet. But I'm gonna read some of this now before we get started to give you a little bit of a backstory. And I've never used Rogue Patriot before, so this is gonna be a new experience for me. So first, he sent me a little letter. It says, Doug, thank you so much for all you are doing for the beard community and the spotlight you are giving to the 12 companies participating in Year of the Beard. This year has been one for the history books for sure, and it has been nice to have a positive outlet to turn to. Keep up the good work, brother. Also, for the month of October, during the review process, I have created a code, Year of the Beard, that will save folks 15% all month long. So thank you, Brandon, jumping right out the gate with a promo code to save you guys some money. So 15% off. Use the code Year of the Beard through the month of October. And thanks again for all you do. Hope you and your beard enjoy the products. Your friend Brandon Glenn, Rogue Patriot Beard Company. Now I'm gonna read a little bit about the company that he sent me. My name is Brandon, and my wife and our 3 children enjoy spending time outdoors playing in the park, visiting the gun range, and enjoying spending time serving our community and at our church. The love of essential oils started with my beautiful wife for home remedies. Like many companies, my interest in essential oils and the beard product started as a hobby that has now progressed into a business. As for me, I'm just your typical run-of-the-mill all-American guy. I've spent most of my post-college career in the electrical trade, and I'm now heavily involved in the solar industry. I got into making beard products kind of by accident. One day, a friend of mine told me that my beard looked dry and frizzy, and that I needed a beard oil. I told him, beard oil? Not for me, bro. About a month later, my barber at the time asked me during a trim if I wanted some beard oil. I finally gave in, and it changed my facial hair experience forever. It added so much comfort to my face and increased the health of my beard. It was amazing. However, the store-bought stuff was not only expensive, but most were full of weird chemicals. I knew there had to be a better way. After a lot of research, I decided to try to find a better way. I went on the quest to find a solution for the itch and dryness, and I stumbled my way through some of the name brands, but still found myself unsatisfied. It was at this point I decided to go rogue. After a year and a half of research and development in the lab, aka my kitchen, I finally found what I was looking for. Once the dust settled, I discovered I had an overabundance of beard supplies, a newfound passion, and a beard binder full of ideas. I started giving beard oil to friends who loved the product and suggested selling it. I decided to try and take the road less traveled, and the Rogue Patriot Beard Company was born. I hope you enjoy using my products as much as I did developing them. Rogue Patriot also has a vet program. They honor those that have served or currently serve and try to give back to those that have given so much. You can contact them and get a special promotional discount code for the veterans and those that are serving. All right, so he also sent me a product list of what's in this box. Now, I have not reviewed this. I haven't looked at it because I like to get first impressions and just kind of look and see what's in here. And I can go ahead and tell you this is a big box and it is heavy. So let's dig in. So like I said earlier, I have never used Rogue Patriot, and I know somebody's gonna bust me out in the comments and say, you're cutting towards yourself. Yeah, but I'm doing it slow, okay? Anyway, I've never used Rogue Patriot before, and I have been eyeballing Rogue Patriot for a while, so I'm very happy that Brandon jumped on and decided to participate in Year of the Beard so we could get a better look at his products. So, check that out. All right, so we have 2 boxes in here. We have a small box that says Rogue Patriot Beard Company, and we have a larger box. So let's get that one out of the way. And that's what we have. So let's dig into the small one first. He did tell me he was sending a new release, a new product release to be included in Year of the Beard. All right. Nice little touch there. Stamped, says thank you. We have our business card here. Flip it around to the back side. Got Brandon Glenn there. And we got us a new comb. It's good because I'm always breaking my wooden combs, but I love a wooden comb, but I keep breaking them. All right, so here we have beard butters. They all butters. Got 5, and they are all butters and different scents. So let's get these out of here because we're gonna have to take some shrink wrap off. All right, so the first one we got to is Sinus Assassin. Now, according to this, it does not give me, it does give me a scent profile. So let's take a look at the label. So all the labels appear to be the same other than your front part right here, just from me pulling them out of the box. So this is called Sinus Assassin. It is 2 ounces. You can see that, and I can smell it from here. Oh my gracious. It smells really, really good. An invigorating blend of peppermint and eucalyptus. That smells good. That smells really good. All right, so what's our next one? I'm not gonna look at the scent profiles. I'm just gonna read the name. So we have that one here. That's what the front looks like. This is Happy Camper. Again, looks just the same. Ooh, what is that? What is that? A robust blend to naturally enhance your outdoor experience. I gotta go to my cheat sheet here that he sent me. Designed to combine a woodsy blend with all natural bug repellent derived from citronella. Whether you are barbecuing in the yard or on the lake, you will be a happy camper. That's pretty cool. I can definitely smell the citronella. That was what I was picking up on that I didn't know what it was. Or it smelt familiar. All right, what's this one? This one we have Spiced Orange. Ooh, that smells. That's your fall scent right there. That is a delightful blend of spicy orange and black spruce. That is fall scent. It's starting to cool off here in South Georgia. Hopefully it won't be short-lived. Hopefully it won't be temporary. But that is a fall scent. What's our next one? Texas Musk. All right, let's not read that. Ooh, that's good. A woodsy musk that takes you down the cedar-lined paths of hill country. All right, and last we have Mountaineer. So let's take a look at that label. All right. Ooh, I can't even guess on that. It smells good. And there's something, what am I picking up on? A bold mountain blend designed to transport you to your favorite trail. All right, so let's go to our cheat sheet here. This is Mountaineer, designed to capture that first breath of air when you are hiking in the mountains. Full-bodied woodsy blend with a hint of floral to reflect spring blooms along the trails or in the meadows. And I get that. I get the woodsy and I get a hint of that floral Oh man, that's good stuff. We already read Happy Camper, Spiced Orange, delicious blend of orange and cinnamon that captures fall festivities. A sweet and spicy blend that will leave your beard begging for more. Sinus Assassin, a refreshing blast of mint and eucalyptus, great for firing up your senses in the morning and beneficial with head colds or sinus congestion. And then the Texas Musk is the new release. Capturing the Texas Hill Country in a bottle. You know cedar's on the list. This musky blend is a combination of cedar, fir, and zesty orange with a hint of Texas humidity. And Texas Musk is not available until October 1st. New release. Those smell absolutely amazing. So let's see what we have in the big box. He told me he was sending a lot of stuff. And there's more tape. He told me he didn't want me to run out of anything. So here we are. Well, there we go. All right, so all the paperwork I've already printed that he already sent me is all right here. I think, yep, all that's what I already have. And check that out. I would say he loaded me down. All right, so we have balm in all 5 cents. We have balm, and they are in, just tell me, 1 ounce screw top tins. And we'll just open one of them because we've smelt everything. So we'll open one. Which one is this one? Spiced Orange. You see that color? It's got a little shake to it. Oh, that smells so good. That smells amazing. So all of the balms are in these 1 ounce screw top tins. You can see here. Next we have the oils, and like I said, they are all matching scents. Looks like. Let's see if we can get this off. Try not to go with a 20-minute video, but we might end up that way. All right, so we have in a blue, cobalt blue bottle, and we have a pump top for our beard oils. So let's see, what is this one? Mountaineer. Let's see if it smells like the butter. Oh my great. That is so good. All right, I gotta open them all. Sorry, fast forward if you want to. But I've gotta open them all because they smell so good. All right, what is this one? Texas Musk. This is the new release. Give it a shake. That is cedar all day long. I love me some cedar scents. Love the cedar. This is great. So the labels, we've got that, basically the scent profile. I'm giving you a little breakdown about it. We've got our ingredients. Ingredients on the oils. We'll have to take a look at them, but I think all of his oils have the same blend. Sweet almond oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, argan oil, and signature blend of essential oils. So we've got all of our beard oils here. Now we have beard wash and beard conditioner, and this is in the Sinus Assassin scent profile. So let's give this a shake. This is another, let's see, what is this? An 8 ounce bottle. Paraben free, gluten free, sulfate free, alcohol free, cruelty free, and vegan. Oh my. This smells like you just bit into like 4 pieces of, what was that gum? Spearmint. That's what it smells like. Oh, this is gonna be good in the shower. Good in the shower. And then our conditioner, again in the blue bottle. Oh yeah, that smells good. Had a little bit of leakage on the top, on that pop top, but hey, no big deal. And last but not least, we have Pit Defender deodorant. This is unscented. I do not. Now, when we do our update on the deodorant, we will talk about it. I don't know how many different scents they come in, but that is unscented. So it's in a screw top or a screw bottom container with a screw top, again in that blue color. This is amazing. I'm looking forward to the month. I hope you are too. Make sure you have your notification bell turned on and you're subscribed so you can follow along this journey. And we're gonna be busy this month. We're gonna be very busy this month. So we've got balms and butters and oils and wash and co-wash and deodorant. I don't even know what order to go in. I'm looking forward to what this big box of products is going to do for my beard for the month of October. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to check out Rogue Patriot. The link will be in the description below. Don't forget that discount code, Year of the Beard, to save you some money during the month of October. Don't forget to check out my website, thebeardedoutdoorsman.com. Link to that in the description as well. And yeah, that's a lot. This is a long video. Anyway, thank you for staying tuned. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.